Welcome to my channel. The glamorous world of the 2024 Venice Film Festival. One of the most anticipated events in the world of cinema and fashion, the Venice Film Festival never fails to deliver when it comes to style. This year was no exception, with celebrities gracing the red carpet in outfits that left a lasting impression. From timeless elegance to daring fashion statements, we're here to break down the most iconic looks that stole the show. 2024 Venice Film Festival Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. First on our list is Scodelario, whose choice of a black shimmering gown captivated everyone's attention. The gown's fitted silhouette accentuated her figure, with the delicate shine. Kaya's look was a perfect balance of classic beauty and modern sophistication, making it one of the standout outfits of the evening. Giovanna Scottiat. Giovanna Scottiat made a powerful statement with her choice of a tailored suit. She paired the crisp white suit, including a statement necklace and chunky heels, for a minimalist yet impactful look. This ensemble perfectly exemplifies how simplicity can be incredibly chic and stylish. Raffey Cassidy. Raffey Cassidy brought a burst of color to the red carpet with her playful, vibrant dress. The mix of bold patterns and lively hues reflected her youthful energy, making her a refreshing presence at the festival. Raffey's look was all about fun and creativity, setting her apart from the more traditional ensembles of the evening. Caterina Ferioli. Caterina Ferioli opted for a timeless light pink dress with a modern twist, a daring open back. The sleek design highlighted her elegant posture, while the bold back detail added an unexpected element of allure. Caterina's outfit perfectly blended classic style with contemporary edge, making it a red carpet highlight. Cassandra Cano. Cassandra Cano turned heads with her blue choice of a dress featuring metallic textures. The futuristic design, combined with the reflective fabric, created a mesmerizing effect under the festival lights. Cassandra's outfit was a bold fashion statement, showcasing her fearless approach to red carpet style. Molly Gordon. Molly Gordon embraced a romantic look with her flowy gown in black colors. The delicate fabric and gentle color palette exuded a sense of grace and femininity, making her appearance one of the most enchanting of the evening. Molly's outfit was a perfect choice for the timeless elegance that the Venice Film Festival is known for. Megan Ria. Megan Ria made a dramatic entrance with her bold black dress, complete with a daring high slit. The striking color and powerful silhouette commanded attention, making Megan one of the most talked about celebrities on the red carpet. Her outfit was all about confidence and making a statement, embodying the spirit of the Venice Film Festival. Martina Strazzer. Martina Strazzer brought a touch of modernity to the red carpet with her chic jumpsuit. The sleek lines and minimalist design made for a refreshing alternative to the traditional gown, showcasing Martina's contemporary style. Her outfit was a nod to the versatility of fashion and the power of simplicity. Natalia Paragoni. Natalia Paragoni dazzled the crowd with her glamorous sequined dress. The shimmering fabric caught the light beautifully, creating a sparkling effect that made her the center of attention. Natalia's outfit was the epitome of red carpet glamour, combining luxury with a sense of fun and celebration. Sveva Alviti. Sveva Alviti channeled vintage elegance with her dress featuring intricate lace details. The classic silhouette and delicate fabric paid homage to old Hollywood glamour, while the modern cut kept the look fresh and current. Sveva's outfit was a beautiful blend of the past and the present, making it one of the most memorable of the evening. Rocio Munoz Morales. Rocio Munoz Morales pushed the boundaries of fashion with her bold, structural dress. The unique design elements and unconventional silhouette made her stand out on the red carpet, showcasing her fearless approach to style. Rocio's outfit was a testament to the creativity and innovation that the Venice Film Festival inspires. Tilda Swinton. Tilda Swinton, known for her avant-garde fashion choices, did not disappoint with her androgynous outfit. The sharp tailoring and bold lines created a striking, gender-neutral look that was both modern and timeless. Tilda's outfit was a powerful statement on the red carpet, challenging traditional fashion norms with grace and confidence. Vittoria Puccini. Vittoria Puccini floated down the red carpet in a black gown with delicate embellishments. The flowing fabric and soft details created a dreamy, almost fairy tale-like appearance. Vittoria's look was the embodiment of romantic elegance, capturing the essence of the Venice Film Festival's timeless charm. Which celebrity look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things fashion. Until next time, stay stylish.